impute those values for test 1 and test 2. We want to get the total score for everyone. Now, we can't be doing 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 to know, or maybe by the time you're not doing all these things, you're not going to pick a calculator and start pressing your calculator to get the value. But we can just write a script that will automatically calculate everything for you and make everything simple for you. How do we do that? First, on your computer, you go to formula bar, you press your equals to, then you open up a bracket. By the time you open up before bracket, you must have to write a sum. To sum it, you are trying to let the computer recognize the fact that you are summing it. Now you open up a bracket like this. Now where does English start from? English start from D6. Let's use D6. It's showing there. You can see that it's already, it's already showing a D4. I mean, because we are using this. We are using from the column here, which is D4. It's already showing there D4. Then you use this punto, this point. Then after that point, we are going to sum B, C, and D. Sorry, this thing is not. I'm using B, of course. B2, B4. You can see there, B4. Then put this. Then the other one will be D4. Then I close my bracket. When I close my bracket and I come like this, it has automatically sum it up together for me. But I cannot be writing that same formula again for another, for home economics, for biology, for geography. But I can simply do something that will automatically sum all of them up together for me. What do? I come like this. You see this place that is showing black point like this. Then I come like this and I take it like this and I drag it down like this. You can see it has automatically give me the whole figure of everything. But at least now that you have seen the total for this test, now we are going to check we are going to write another script that will calculate the grade of each person here. Now let's write here grade. Grade. Now what do we mean by grade? We want to see if this person had A, B, or C. We want to get the grade for each one. Now how do we get the grade? We can't just write it there, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, or maybe we'll use our own to calculate, use our eye to calculate. Now we're going to write a simple program that will give us the grade for each student. Whether each person fail or each person does not fail, this program we are going to write will tell us if we are saying the truth or not. Now how do we do that? First of all, we come like this. Remember, equals to, we always come first. Equals to, I have my equals to there. If it's a conditional statement, we say if I open my bracket, if E4 greater than, I use greater than, let me say 69, comma, then I open parentheses, give the person A. If it is like that, then you close the parentheses, comma again, then you write again if, then you open the bracket. If E4 is greater than 59, comma, you open the parentheses again, you give the person B, then you close the bracket, the parentheses I mean to say, then comma again, then you open the bracket again. If E4 is greater than 49, it's greater than 49, comma, open parentheses. What do you want to give to this person? C. What do you want the computer to give? You close again, comma, use your if command again, then you open a bracket. Then if 4 is greater than again, 4 is greater than 49 before, then let's use 44 now, bracket, comma, then parenthesis again, what